In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail contacts in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to organizing your contacts or just looking for a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, to access your Google Contacts, open your preferred web browser and navigate to contacts.google.com. This is your hub for managing contacts connected to your Gmail account. Make sure to sign in with the same Google account you use for Gmail to ensure that all your information is properly synced. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of all your existing contacts. For those who use multiple devices, rest assured that your contacts will automatically sync across all of them, thanks to Google's seamless integration. Now, let's move on to adding a new contact. On the left-hand menu, you'll find an option labeled Create Contact. Click on it, and you will be presented with two choices: Create a Contact or Create Multiple Contacts. Choose the option that suits your needs. If you just have one contact to add, select Create a Contact. For adding several people at once, Create Multiple Contacts is the way to go. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in various details. The essentials typically include the contact's name, email address, and phone number. You can also add any additional notes or important information such as the company they work for. It's a good habit to fill in as much information as possible, as this can serve as a useful reference for remembering key details about the individuals in your network. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, simply tap Save, and your new contact details will be stored securely in Google Contacts. If you realize later that you need to update or add additional information to a contact, you can easily do so by selecting the contact from the list and making your updates. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to access, add, and manage your contacts using Google's interface. This simple tool can make all the difference in staying organized, especially when connecting with people both professionally and personally. By keeping your contact list up to date, you're not only streamlining your communication, but also making sure that you never miss out on important connections. Whether you regularly update your contact list or you're doing it for the first time, these steps ensure it's quick and stress-free. I hope this guide has been helpful and has illuminated a few tips and tricks you didn't know before. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.